So, what is a UPC and why do you need it?
A UPC or Universal Product Code is a 12-digit number that's assigned to every single product sold either in stores or online over the internet.
And it is also used to identify and track products as they're shipped and received. Now, UPCs are printed on product packaging and labels.
Above the 12-digit number on a UPC is a barcode. A barcode is a series of parallel lines of different widths that are machine readable. This enables the product to be scanned at the register so customers can check out quickly and accurately record the product information.
Now, if you have a food product that you make yourself and you only sell it at church functions and farmers markets and special events,
Like, for example, someone who sells homemade jams at local festivals.
a UPC is really not needed.
However, once you make the decision to sell your food product in retail stores or over the internet via Amazon, a UPC is required.
So, if you're looking to start, grow, and scale a successful packaged food business, obtaining UPCs is a must. The best website to go to is gs1us.org.
If you'd like to learn more details about the process of getting your food product on the retail stores, click to the right and play the next video in the series. Also, check out any of our other videos, or you can attend an upcoming live free masterclass.